Hey guys, welcome to my craft space. We're back today to work on a paper pumpkin kit. This is the June 2020 box of sunshine, and it literally is a box of sunshine. It is a pretty yellow color. The cards inside are gorgeous. This kit, you can make 8 cards, and they are springy and summery and bright and cheerful. This kit comes with 4 cards, but you make 2 of each, so a total of 8 cards. Here are 2 of the cards. Aren't they cute? They're real summery. This one has gold and white stripes with a pineapple. I stamped "You Are Loved" and put some bling on the front of the card. I love the pineapple. It's so cute. And the lemons, a little something to brighten your day. So these are die cuts, and this is a sticker, and we stamped this. So I love both of these cards. This is the stamp set. It's got a variety of greetings. It's got a sun, some different elements, and we're gonna make the other 2 cards. So let me just set those there. We've got this one with this fiery orange and yellow, and this one with the sun and the rays, which I think is so pretty. So I'm just going to follow along with the picture here, and all of our elements are either stickers or die cuts. So looking at this one, let's do this one first. Just open it so it lays flat. I'm going to take this sticker. So this is just a peel off sticker here. This goes down just somewhere in the middle there. I'm looking at that sun. And these are our punch outs. Of course, I've used a couple because I showed you the pineapple card. So this sun goes on here, and we're going to stamp. So I need one of these smaller banners, and this is what I love about the paper pumpkin kits, is that these are die cut for you. You just have to punch them out. There's a lot of stickers. This banner is already cut for us, and we're just gonna stamp it. So, okay, this card, let's see, has hello. So let's take that. Gonna use, this is the G block. I love these little blocks from Stampin' Up. So the blocks do not come in the box, but with your first box, you do get a clear block to use. So don't worry about that. Now, if we look at the sample, the hello is stamped towards the right of the banner. Okay. We want to show a little of the black and white polka dot. And that goes over to the right-hand side. Okay, this sun is awesome, so I'm gonna use dimensionals. That's so pretty. Look, it's like the rays are coming out from, you can see a little bit of the gold behind there. That's okay. Let me see if I can raise it up a little bit. Well, either way, that's awesome. And then we've got some of these rhinestones. They're already sticky backed. And I'm gonna take my take your pick tool, and I'm just gonna put a couple on here. Looks like they've got some above the sun and below, so just kind of random pattern. Okay, the next one is this really pretty orange and red and yellow. It kind of looks like a fire to me. Okay, we're going to stamp. Looks like we've got some stamping to do. So let's do the greeting. It's on one of these banner kits. Just punch it out. And this one says "Sending Sunshine," and I love that. So I'm gonna start with the larger stamp, only because that'll give me an idea of where I stamp the smaller one. If I start with the small one, I may run out of room on my on my banner. So starting with the larger one. And this one says Sunshine. And look how cute this font is. I love the font. Okay, Sunshine. Towards the bottom, because remember, we need to leave room for sending. Oh yeah, very pretty. Next, we're going to stamp this image here. And it looks like it's just in the center, of this card. Okay, that's good. Shows a sticker, so let's get another one of our stickers. Right above. Okay, I'm going to use the dimensionals. Oh, you know what? Look what I missed. The sun. Let's stamp that real quick. Ooh, that looks so pretty on the orange and the yellow. Now the kits for each month are available by the 10th. So on the 10th of each month is when you would need to sign up for a paper pumpkin kit. And then they start shipping after that. So this was the June kit. So everyone who signed up by June 10th, 2020 received this subscription kit in the mail. Okay, just goes right here. And some of those pretty rhinestones. How easy are these paper pumpkin kits? Because you can just put the kit together as you're watching TV. They're super quick to put together. Let's see, let's just do 3. Don't forget, in your kit, it does come with envelopes. And look at the envelopes. So here's the back. They already have some detail on them. All the envelopes look like this. They have this gold bar with a gold outline. Of course, you could stamp, maybe stamp another sun down here, image on the bottom or on the back. Address it, put a stamp on it, and drop it in the mail. Here are the 4 cards from this kit. You can follow the examples that they give you. They do give you the pictures of the cards. Also, on the back, they show a couple other sample cards that you could make. So this one right here has the pineapple with a different banner on the back rather than the sun and the skinnier banner behind here. I mentioned that I was going to show 2 alternative cards. So I took just some cardstock that I had in my stash on some ribbon. I did use one of the banners from the kit and some of these bling from the kit and the sun. So let me show you real quick what I did with that. So I used Daffodil Delight cardstock and the ink pad and the Stampin' Blends, which I love the Stampin' Blends. So this is what I did. I took the sun, okay, stamped it. You can see my other sample here, right? And then I'm going to show you what I did with the blends. These are great because they blend with each other. You have a light color and you have a dark color, and it will tell you on the marker. Daffodil Delight Dark and Daffodil Delight Light. Say that 5 times fast. Okay, what I do is I take the lighter color, and there's 2 ends. There's a fine tip end and a brush tip end. And I take the brush tip. First, I color the whole sun in with the lighter color. And that's typically what I do with anything that I'm going to color in when I want to use the blends. I start with the light color. Then I take the darker color and just go around the edge, kind of where you think a shadow would be. Now we don't want to leave it like that, right? I go back to my light and I'm blending those two together, blending it into the rest of the circle here, the rest of the image. Kind of soften the line. You know, don't want it to be too harsh. And see, I've kind of got a lighter spot in there. I like that because it gives it depth, it gives it dimension. Okay, that's what I did when I colored in the sun. I also took the Daffodil Delight ink and the sun and stamped my own background on this piece here. If you can see, the suns just randomly stamp off the piece of paper so that it looks like the suns are just kind of floating. Here I've got my sun image here. I've got a black cardstock banner back here. I stamped Sending Sunshine on the label from the kit. Used my bling and tied a knot around there. If you remember this kit, I pulled out the stamp set from this month. It looks like this. Has some wonderful phrases, has some flowers, some hearts, some clouds, but still using my current box stamp set. So this is from June 2020. This was from March 2020. So don't forget to pull out your older stamp sets or previous paper pumpkin stamp sets to use together. Because when I saw this and I saw this sun, I thought rain. That looks like rain. So I pulled these two stamps sets together and used them to make this. Now I've got, these are the two cloud images and I've stamped the clouds here. I did stamp the sun. I used this image here, which I do notice there's a smaller one in here. See, they gave us this one. So I used the image here, and this is in Just Jade, one of our new end colors that just launched in June 2020. And this ribbon is Just Jade. I used a phrase from March's kit here, wishing you brighter days ahead. I used a circle framelit, I used a scallop circle framelit, and popped that up on dimensionals. Thank you for joining in today for our June 2020 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Don't forget, by the 10th of each month, you can sign up for that kit for the month. Now, we don't know what the kit will be like, what it will look like. It's a surprise to everyone when it arrives, although they do give us sneak peeks every now and then. The box is $22, and you can sign up just one time for one box, or you can make it a subscription and keep it going every month, and then you can use your stamps from previous kits on your projects. All you have to do is go to mypaperpumpkin.com and register and sign up. You can also go through my blog. Again, thank you so much for watching. Happy crafting and stay safe out there.